Hi, we will start with a warm up. So first we will be doing some warm up. Then second round will be of our mobility exercise, and then third we will do cool down. Between mobility and cool down, you need to fit your workout. If you are doing upper body workout, you are doing abs workout, or any workout if you are doing. So I'm just showing you how the actual warm up, full body warm up should be done, and a full body cool down. So starting with the first warm up, take your hand down, small, go down, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you need not to bend your knees, just stand straight and try to touch the ground with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now be on your toes, try to be on your toes and just walk for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on your side legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hug your knee, a single knee with both your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hug, take your leg like this and try to pull it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your one leg and do a small reverse lunge 10 times. 5 on each leg. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now just do a high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now a back kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will be doing some scrolls. 10 scrolls. I'll show how a scroll will be. So go down, take your one leg back, come up and stand tall. This is a simple scroll. If you want to scale it up, you can bend down, come and come up. Go down, bend, come up. 10 times scroll and come up. Go down, back, 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 come up. So this was our warm-up exercise. Now we will be doing some mobility exercise. So starting with the first one, take your head to your right and count for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are done with our face exercise. Now we will be moving look to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll be looking up and down, up and down, up and down. We'll do a semicircle. 1, back, 1, 2, 3. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a full circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the reverse direction, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will swing our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the opposite direction, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Front, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can increase and decrease the number of sets you want to do. We are doing 5 each exercise. 1. Now take your hands in the 90 degree. Make sure it is 90 degree. Don't bend like this. Don't be like this. It should be straight, parallel to the ground and 90. Go down and up. Up, down. Need not to be like this and need not to be like this. It should be parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now swinging our hands to our opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now swinging alternate hands. 1 forward, 1 backward. Change. Now we will doing some stretches for our hands again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now Cossack squats. Cossack squat we'll do. Bending your one knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Taking our lunges. Taking our toes pointing upwards like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rotating the knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Changing the direction of our knee rotation. So you can do number of set increase or decrease. Now we will be doing some alternate hands reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will be doing some kicks, side kicks. 3, 4, 5. Now we will try to swing our leg forward and backward. Opposite change. So guys, this was our warm-up and mobility exercise. Now I will be teaching how to do your cool down. So a cool down is a very important part of any workout. You need to focus on each and every part. So I'll be starting with my cool down. For this, you need a yoga mat to start off. So take your right hand up, left hand up and bend toward your right. Try to see that your ears are closer to your hands and bend on your right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Other side. Try to keep the hand closer to your ears and try to bend your body from your tongue. You'll feel a stretch on your oblique muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are taking our legs wider and doing the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Changing the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are taking our legs more wider, bending our body from the trunk. We are not bending from our upper body, we are bending our body from the trunk so that it will be parallel to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to take your legs more wider if possible and try to touch the ground and keep your head beneath and touch it to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will give you a wider stretch. Come up slowly. So we'll be doing a IT bend stretch. This is our IT bend and we will be going towards the direction of our back leg. We'll be bending our body from the trunk and not from the upper body. Don't jerk your knees. Try to be stable. 1, 2. You'll feel a stretch on your back leg IT band. 3, 4. Change. Come up slowly. Cross your leg again and go down towards your back leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go down to the floor where you have kept your yoga mat. Hug your knees and roll your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take one leg, pull it towards you for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your one leg over the other leg. Take your hands in between and try to pull your legs to your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take your leg up and try to touch your legs with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down slowly. Bend your body towards your one side and look to the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Take your other leg up. Make a 90 degree and bend it to your opposite direction and gaze toward your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Sit in a comfortable cross hand position. Take your one leg up. Suppose it is you are crossing it, taking your left leg and crossing it towards your right. Take your right hand to push it with your knees and twist your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Take your other leg. Take your opposite hand. Push your knee with your elbow and gaze towards your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now cross your one leg and try to bend your body to one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the leg which is bent, take it backward and make a L shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change to your opposite leg. Again, take the back leg to your to back. Make a L shape and bend your body to your front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll be doing some lunge stretches. Take your leg in the lunge position. Take your front body to your front. Try to take the back leg, stretch your back leg and make it straight as possible as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from the same pose we'll be going to pigeon pose. The leg which is in front, cross it to the other direction. Bend your upper body and try to stay in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Now take your other leg, stretch it, and try to keep your back leg straight, so you will feel a stretch on your back leg hamstrings, and push it forward. Change. Take your leg which is front on the opposite direction for the pigeon pose and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go down completely and take your legs and take your body up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold your toes and take your body completely up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll be doing Sphinx pose. For that, your elbow will be directly below your shoulder and try to go up. This is very good for your back. If you have any back issues or any back pain, you can try it anytime, and this is a very good stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. From here we'll be going to child pose. So cross your leg like this and go down completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here we'll be going to mountain. 1. This is very good for your calf muscle stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Come to your seated position. Now we will be doing some hand stretches. Try to lock your hands from behind. If you are not able to do this, just try to push your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we will be going again to a lunge position. Try to take your leg front and touch your toes and pull your toes towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. If you are unable to find your balance, keep your one hand down and try to pull your toes towards you. You will feel a stretch on your squats. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the leg which is behind, try to take it up and try to pull your back leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Other leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now sit down in a comfortable cross-leg position. Stretch your one leg, keep the other leg over it and bend your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have some gap here so that you will feel the stretch. Again take your other leg and keep it over it and try to bend your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will be doing some butterfly. For that, take your leg, join them, and then start shaking it. Try to keep your spine straight. Don't slouch or don't go back. Try to keep it straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, with the help of your elbows, try to push your knees down like this. To as much as you can push, you can push. Don't slouch your back. Keep your back spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can lie down and rest all your entire part in Shavasana. So, thank you so much for watching it. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.